If you have good personal credit, but your business doesn't qualify for traditional financing yet, I'm about to show you how to unlock up to $100,000 in 0% interest capital using a strategy most business owners never hear about. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a legitimate funding strategy that we sometimes use in what I call the hero's journey to capital. And it's perfect for established businesses and startups that need growth capital without the paperwork of traditional loans. I'm Siegel, founder of Small Biz Heroes. I've helped business owners secure over $80 million in funding, and one of the most underutilized tools in my toolkit is strategic 0% APR business credit cards. When done correctly, this strategy can provide significant capital at zero cost for 12 to 24 months. When done incorrectly, it can destroy your credit and bury your business in bad debt. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to do it, which cards are worth applying for in 2026, and exactly how this fits into a longer-term funding strategy that gets you in a great position to grow your business. Before we dive into specific cards, let me first explain when this strategy makes sense. This is perfect if you fit the following profile. You have a personal credit score of 700 or above. You have at least 2 years of established credit history. Your current credit utilization on personal and business is below 30%. Your business is generating revenue, but maybe doesn't have 2 years of tax returns yet, or your business credit profile is still developing. This strategy bridges that gap between having good personal credit and building the business credit profile that banks require. Here's what this isn't for: emergency funding when you're already struggling, lifestyle purchases that don't generate an ROI, long-term financing for major equipment or real estate. A lot of those uses of funds, it simply doesn't make sense for. Remember, 0% APR is temporary, usually 12 to 24 months. You need a clear plan to either pay off the balances or transition to longer-term financing before the promotional rates expire. Now, the time you've been waiting for. Let me walk you through the best 0% APR business credit cards available to you right now, based on current market conditions and application success rates. Number 1, Chase Inc. Business Unlimited. 0% APR for 12 months on purchases. Unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase. $750 welcome bonus when you spend $6,000 in the first 3 months, and no annual fee. This is why Chase is number 1 to me. Chase has some of the highest credit limits in the business card space. I used to see $75,000 approvals left and right for this card, but recently they have cut it back, and it's a great card. You should still expect to get anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000 if you have a great credit profile. The 1.5% cash back even continues after the promotional period, making this a keeper card. Number 2, American Express Blue Business Plus. 0% APR for 12 months on purchases. 2x membership reward points on the first $50,000 spent annually. 15,000 point welcome bonus, and no annual fee. Why it's powerful: Amex points transfer to 20 plus airline and hotel partners. If you travel for business, this effectively gives you free flights and hotels during the 0% period. Credit limits can be substantial with good payment history as well. Number 3, US Bank Triple Cash Rewards. 0% APR for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. 5% cash back on the first $25,000 in combined office supplies and telecom, which could be great for a growing business. $750 welcome bonus when you spend $6,000 in the first 3 months. That's like free money on free money. And there's no annual fee. Why it's strategic? The balance transfer option lets you consolidate existing business debt that has an APR at 0% APR. The 5% category bonus is also perfect for tech and office expenses that most businesses have anyway. Number 4, American Express Blue Business Cash. 0% APR for 12 months on purchases, 2% cash back on the first $50,000 spent annually, which is higher than pretty much any card out there in terms of cash back, and then $250 on a statement credit after $3,000 is spent in the first 3 months. And of course, no annual fee. Why this works? Simple cash back that goes directly to your bottom line. Amex business cards often come with higher limits and better expense tracking tools as well. And number 5, Bank of America Business Advantage Travel Rewards. 0% APR for the intro period, 1.5x points on all purchases with no caps, and a 50,000 point welcome bonus too. And of course, like the rest of the cards, no annual fees. Why consider it? If you're in Bank of America's preferred rewards program, you get bonus earnings. Plus, travel points never expire and can be redeemed for cash. Here's how to apply strategically for all these, not desperately. Step 1, take a calculated approach to your applications. Once your credit profile is fully optimized, you want to condense your applications so that you can get more money in a shorter period of time. Don't just go shotgunning applications. Make sure that you are doing this very strategically and waiting until your credit profile is completely optimized for the capital stack. Step 2, start with your relationship banks. If you bank with Chase, start with Chase Inc. If you have history with Amex, start there. Existing relationships matter, and that often translates into higher initial credit limits. Step 3, now that you've got the strategy and the lenders picked out, you want to optimize your credit profile first. Pay down your existing balances to below 10% utilization if you can before applying. Update your business information with the credit bureaus and make sure your business address matches across all accounts. Now you're ready. Step 4, apply for business purposes only. Never use business credit for personal expenses. Lenders review spending patterns in your credit history, and mixed usage can trigger account closure and damage your business credit profile, which, as an entrepreneur, is a bad thing. Step 5, plan your use of funds before you get approved. Know exactly how you'll use each credit line. Marketing campaigns, inventory purchases, equipment down payments. Then you want to have specific ROI projections for every dollar that you get approved for. Once you're approved and funded in that condensed period, here's how to maximize the 0% periods on each one of your new credit lines. Month 1 through 3, aggressive investment. Use the capital for high ROI activities in the initial period. Marketing campaigns with proven returns. Inventory for busy seasons. Technology that improves efficiency. Month 4 through 8, cash flow management. Use the credit lines to smooth cash flow fluctuations while building your business credit profile and your cash reserves. Month 9 through 12, exit strategy preparation. Start applying for longer-term financing. Use the improved cash flow from your investments to qualify for bank lines, SBA loans, or revenue-based lines of credit and equipment financing. Never let the 0% periods expire with significant balances on these lines. The variable rates that kick in are typically anywhere from 16 to 28% after that 0% promotional period, and these can quickly destroy the benefits that you have gained. Remember guys, this is just one of the stages on my hero's journey to capital. The goal isn't to live on credit cards forever. The goal is to use this capital responsibly to build the business credit profile and cash flow patterns that banks require so you can graduate into more conventional financing. While you're utilizing these 0% periods, make sure that you are making all payments on time to build business credit. Keep utilization below 30% across all cards. Maintain clean business bank statements with consistent deposits, and then document all business use for tax purposes. Done correctly, business owners regularly transition from 0% credit cards to six-figure bank lines within 18 to 24 months, or they are constantly recycling 0% APR cards. Here are some common mistakes that would destroy those strategies though. Taking cash advances on the cards. These typically are not part of 0% promotions and have immediate fees. Using business credit for personal expenses. This can trigger account closure and hurt your business credit profile. Ignoring payment due dates. Even at 0%, late payments destroy your credit and can cancel promotional rates immediately, and they're extremely difficult to get off in credit repair programs. Applying to too many cards month after month. If you go from one bank one month to the next bank the next month, Peter's gonna know that you just took money from Paul. And this looks desperate and reduces approval odds. You got to go about this extremely strategically to get the best result. Not having a payoff plan. 0% is temporary. Plan your exit strategy before you need it, or you'll be left in worse off waters than when you started, because you'll have access to this capital to run things up. But if you keep the balances high, it's not going to be good for you. Look, 0% APR business credit cards can be powerful tools, but they're really just one piece of a comprehensive funding strategy. At our company, Small Biz Heroes, we help business owners create complete funding roadmaps that start with immediate capital needs and end with bank level financing. We've guided hundreds of businesses through this exact transition. If you want to explore whether this strategy fits your business, or if you want to see what other funding options you can potentially qualify for through our unique platform, call us at 888-859-8408. We'll review your credit profile, assess your business situation, and show you how to build a funding ladder that gets you the better terms and the larger amounts over time. Don't leave money on the table if you're an entrepreneur because you didn't know these options existed. And don't make expensive mistakes because you tried to figure it all out alone. Before you go, check out my other videos on business credit building, other sorts of loans, and SBA loan strategies. I cover every step of the funding journey from startup capital to multi-million-dollar business acquisitions. The capital you guys need to grow your business is available. You just need to know how to access it strategically.